Hello and welcome to another episode of Shopping with Cheryl. We are building a new computer. Yes, yes, yes. No, I'm not a gamer. No, it's not going to be used for gaming, but it's going to be used for doing 360 video, 4K video, things like that. So this is my new processor. I wanted to give you a quick look at it so that you kind of had an idea of what we were using. This is the AMD Ryzen 9. This is the 5950X 16-core 32-thread desktop processor. So, you want to come in and get a look at it while I take it out so you can see it? Might be exciting, might not, but you can join me anyway. And there's going to be an affiliate link in the description below if you want to go check one of these out for yourself. If you click on that affiliate link and purchase anything, I may make a small commission. So, keep that in mind, and come on in. Let's take a look at this. Okay, here it is. You can get a close-up look now, and there's the box. And I did just cut this open so I didn't have to mess with it on camera, but let's open her up and see what she does, or what she has in it, rather. I guess we aren't going to see what she does till we get the rest of it together. Oh, look. I got a piece of plastic. And looks as if... Oh, there we go. That's what I need, instructions. We've done these before, and trust me, it's always a hope when you do them so that you don't accidentally bend any of the pins. So that's in there. This is just a placeholder. Let's see what else is in the box. More paper. Here we go. And I'll set that there. Piece of foam for the bottom, pat it a little bit, and here is the processor itself. And like I said, it is a AMD Ryzen 9 5950X 16-core 32-thread. Those little pins always stress me, so I'm not taking it out of this until we are ready to actually put it in so those don't get bent. But there you go. There it is. That's what's going in my new computer. And be sure to click subscribe so you can see the rest of the computer parts. And check me out on Amazon Live. I go live over there, and you're more than welcome to follow me. Click the notification so you can jump in and say hi while I'm live. And we'll see you on the next video.